welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today because my husband bought me early birthday present. Yay! Okay, let's open it up. Who doesn't like unboxing video, right? Okay. Ta-da! Look! From LV. So in love. I have 2 boxes here. Right. Let's open the first one. What's in this one? Okay. Oh, I love this blue ribbon. Okay. As usual, you can have this little cards in there. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, let's see. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, look at this one. I believe this is called Felicie Pochette, if I don't pronounce it correctly, but I will have the detail, the actual name on my screen. So, wow. I think my husband bought me this for my birthday, and then we went to the store, so it's not really a surprise or anything. So we both went to the store. I believe it come with multiple colors, but the first one I saw was a black color. Was really like, oh my gosh, it's really nice. But then I was asking the sales associate and say, hey, do you have a different color? And then she's saying, yes, we do. We have so many. Yeah, it's true. This pochette, this it's almost like a wallet on chain type of purse. So it comes with multiple different colors. This one is like a pink leather, and it has the monogram on it. Yeah. So it's throughout. You can also have so many different color and combinations. I believe this is really gonna be very popular. Little like a wallet on chain. Yeah, you can go out and anytime. So let's open this up. One thing I feel like this is really cool is it comes with 2 different other like a pouch. You see? It's like another purse that's very, very versatile. You know, you can use 3 of them at once, or you can use just this, or you can use this. It's like a kind of a wallet. Can put your plenty of cards in here, and you can also put maybe like, if you have cash or anything, can still put in here. So it has plenty space. And this is a leather. Yeah, this is leather. And then this one is almost like you can put maybe some little makeup or anything, or you can use it as a wallet too. And then this inside lining, it's also leather. So it's not like a fabric lining, it's actual leather. Yeah, so make it really, really nice and versatile. And inside of this big one, they have a stripe. It's a chain. Yeah. And then you can always, I'll put this back just to show you guys. this little hook is a little bit different than the traditional one. Yeah, it's very different. Not the traditional, you know, LV hook that we've seen. Sure. See? Yep. And then has a button here. Button. With this chain, I don't know if you can see. I can wear this, just like this one. So it'll be like this. It's a sit right by my, you know, hip area. So for me, I feel I like to be longer chain. So I asked the sales associate and see, hey, you know, I could get extension, you know, it's easily can add. I was almost thinking about, you know, Samora and things like that. You can add on the chain, but then she just pointing out, give me a different option. I feel like, wow, that's really great way to use that kind of like a wallet chain and as the extension, and it adds more color. I'm gonna show you in just a second. So yeah, I was thinking about this is a different. I wanted just to show you. 1 second. Yeah, this is my oldest like a really easy wear kind of crossback body from LV. This is like really well used, as was telling. See the stripes come with it, usually with the leather, but it does have different hook. I'll definitely give you guys a closer shots. See, these are different, completely different, but that's okay. You can also use to wear this on this little pochette. It's gonna be really cool looking too. And this actually, if I can show you this one would be really add a little bit length to me. It's the right, see, just add about 1.5 inches or 2 inch, yeah, just 1 inch. It will make the stripe really, I feel it's a better length for me. All right, don't forget I have another unboxing. This one is in this little box. So what's in this little box? Can you guess? You might already guessed it. If not, just, you know, try comment on below. I'll give you like 2 seconds. 1, 2. Okay, time's up. Let's open it. Okay. Yes, this is the one. This is the one that I was looking for. Yeah, this is like a wallet chain, right? Not really wallet chain. It's more like your decoration piece. You can see. Yeah, and you can put on your wallet, or you know, any purses, or just if you have a longer wallet like this, you can, or purse or something. It could be really good for the decoration. But that's what I said earlier in the video. There's another way of using this. I mean, it's a genius the way that the sales associate used this one. I'm hoping that it can all stay. But did you see this? Oh my goodness, right? It added the right length to me and for me, and then also it's so much, it's decorative piece, right? And then it's just like so cute. And now you can see the wallet actually sit by my leg now. So it's definitely the right size. I like the purse like sitting a little bit longer, not on my hip, but a little bit longer, just so my hands can reach it right closely. So, and you can see adding this a little bit decorative piece, and it just adds so much to the purse, right? Yeah, I love it. I love these. And thank you for my husband. Thank you to my husband buying me this awesome birthday present, and I love it. And hopefully you enjoy this little unboxing. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'll talk to you and I see you next time. Bye bye.